I spiral where your straight lines end. Whispers talk where logic bends. Wrote my soul in a hidden rune, dancing with the stars in a quiet room. They try to box the way I feel, but I've got symbols they can't steal. Eyes like glyphs, thoughts like flame. I'm the glitch they couldn't name. I'm coded in the rain, dripping soft, wild and untamed. Neuro-spells in my veins, you can't map me, I'm arcane. Freedom tastes like moonlight skin. I break the loop, you're stuck within. I sing to clouds, I think in storms. Turn my quirks to sacred forms. My silence rings like silver chimes, and time folds back when I unwind. Airy rebel in a velvet hood, soft but wired for something good. They said too much, I said too true. Painted my mask in every hue. I cast spells with sideways glances, talk to stars and take my chance. They label what they can decode, but I'm the glitch inside the code. Velvet fog, dimension tide. I slip through cracks they try to hide. I'm cold in the rain, dripping soft, wild and untamed. Neuro-spells in my veins, you can't map me, I'm arcane. A glitch, a witch, a firefly, magic born in pixel sky.